Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Bayonetta on PC. First, you'll need to acquire the game. Bayonetta is readily available on major digital storefronts like Steam. Simply search for Bayonetta and add it to your cart. Once purchased, the game will be linked to your account, ready for download and installation. It's a straightforward process to begin your adventure with the Umbra Witch. To ensure a smooth experience, check your PC's specifications against Bayonetta's requirements. You'll need a 64-bit operating system, at least an Intel Core i3 processor or its AMD equivalent, and 4 GB of RAM. A graphics card with 1 GB of video memory is also necessary. Finally, make sure you have 20 GB of available storage space for the game installation. Meeting these will provide optimal performance. Once purchased, downloading Bayonetta is simple through your digital storefront's client. The installation wizard will guide you through the process, typically taking only a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, you can launch the game directly from your library. Before diving in, consider visiting the in-game options to fine-tune graphics and display settings for your specific setup, ensuring the best visual experience. While keyboard and mouse are supported, a gamepad controller offers the most intuitive and enjoyable Bayonetta experience. Connect your controller before launching the game for seamless integration. Once in-game, focus on mastering the dodge mechanic to activate Witch Time, which is crucial for combat. Experiment with Bayonetta's diverse arsenal of weapons and accessories to discover combinations that suit your personal playstyle and maximize your score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.